All right, guys, so we're out here, Best Buy. Vicky's out here, Lisa's out here, Papa Dukes is out here. So another thing that I noticed that I need for the channel is to actually be able to get better footage for you guys, clearer footage. So I'm actually investing in a GoPro and a stabilizer. So I hope you guys are pumped. That's what we're doing right now. We're just gonna see if one of the stabilizers I picked out is gonna be beneficial for using the GoPro. So I'll stay updated. What's going on, guys? Happy New Year. Obviously 2018 has been pretty good to me so far. So just a couple I just wanted to give you guys some info exactly on what's going on. I'm about to release the website soon. I've just got to figure out a couple things with PayPal, and then from there the website will be up. But yeah, a couple little new gadgets here. Basically, what I've been doing is I've been recording everything on my Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge for the whole year. So every single video that you guys have seen has been off either S6 Edge or an S7 Edge. So I mean, I can't complain. It's done its job. It's worked awesome. But I know that now going on for better footage, we're gonna need a better camera. I know a lot of people have like these crazy expensive cameras for vlogging and such like that. And where I stand, I can't afford those kinds of cameras. But I was lucky enough to pick up a GoPro. I got the GoPro 5 Hero. I mean, it shoots 4K, so I know it's going to be sick. And then I also got a Zhiyun Smooth Q stabilizer. I got this at Best Buy for like $130, $140. I wanted to get the Karma for the GoPro, but it's just crazy expensive. Again, I don't have that much money. So yeah, I picked these two up on the same day. Basically, I'm going to be using this just for that vlog. So like, I mean, I'm trying to have a nice steady vlog. I'm trying to keep things better for you guys, and just keep things more enjoyable and less shaky, obviously. I'm learning each and every day, step by step, with the help of you guys, commenting, getting emails from you guys. So it's pretty sick. I'm pretty pumped though. This thing is insane. I mean, the technology these days is outrageous. You're actually able to use this with a GoPro or with your like cell phone in general. Mainly, I'm going to be using it for the GoPro. I'm going to try to lean off of using my phone. I probably still use my phone for like in-car footage. Like if you guys ever noticed like the one behind my head sort of thing, 'cause I have a special suction cup just for my phone. So, but yeah, going on from there, I just want to keep you guys updated with everything. So the website will be up. There's going to be better footage for 2018. Things that are going to be on the website, I just want to give you guys some info on that. Is again, it's going to be sweatshirts like this. It's going to be t-shirts. There's going to be stickers, decals. We're also going to be working on those lightweight door panels, so either aluminum or plastic. And then we're going to go on to heat shields for brake master cylinders and those switchboard panels also. So we're going to have a whole mess on that website. It's going to be awesome, so hopefully you guys can check it out soon enough. Obviously, within the next couple of weeks, it's going to be up, so I'll definitely get you guys that info. Link in the description for both of these will be down here. Like I said, this is basically like a budget build for me, for like camera-wise and for footage-wise. So yeah, I mean, this thing's got so many different features. It has, you can download the app for it. It's got anything from following an object to panoramic to whatever. So it's going to be sick. I can't wait for this. And I've always wanted a GoPro. I finally got one. So like I said, it's going to be tip-top quality footage for you guys. So I hope you guys are excited. I am. But again, thanks for watching. I'm super pumped for 2018. I hope you guys are. And yeah, we're just going to shred it up. So leave a comment down below. Let me know how I'm doing. Like I said, let me know how excited you guys are for actually getting better quality footage. And yeah, we have a couple surprises up our sleeves coming up in the next few months. So pretty excited about it. But just remember, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Happy New Year. Peace.